Hey Cardano holder, this is an emergency update for all Cardano holder because after a very long time Cardano is starting moving up and it's gonna be a profit number that you can see at this time in a previous 7 days all cryptocurrencies fails down. You can see at this time 20.68% this fails down, and you can see your last 24-hour minus 8.83% fails down. So we predicate this coin, we do technical analysis, and I also share my opinion whether to sell, hold or buy. So let's see to what's going on this time. First of all, I update you. You can see this time the Cardano price is 1.39 USD dollar, and the price you can see here BTC is 0.403895 BTC. And my brother, available supply of you can see 31 billion, and you can see total supply is 32 billion. So my brother, it's gonna be good now, but definitely you can see my brother absolutely in the previous 7 days, especially from last month, my friend, this coin is completely fails down. So it's a very bad news for all of you, but don't see this short fail, my brother. I hope after this fail absolutely they take a very huge jump now. So I think, my friend, if they take a jump after this fail, absolutely they will make you millionaire now. Subscribe this channel, please press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's see to what's going on this time in the market. So this time you can see, my brother, the Ada exchanging is completely going to be good now, friends, for and Binance and VCC exchanges. You can see here this time. So it's mean, my brothers, to this coin is completely going to be good now. And if you check out alert, so I think the Cardano team is going to be sleeping, so this time there is no alert, my brother. And my brother, I already check out the Twitter, Instagram and Google, so there is not a big update available, my brother, for all Cardano holder. So Cardano holder, my opinion is that to please hold it, because this coin is completely moving upward in upcoming time. And I tell you, my brothers, to this coin is one of the stable coin. They cannot fails down more than reference from like that. You can see here this time they can hit 1.38 USD dollar, but again they're moving to 1.41 USD dollar. So it's mean to Cardano starting jumping now. So let's see, my brothers, to what's going on. But kindly, my opinion is that my expectation is very good from Cardano, so I hope they will make you millionaire. They will go up in upcoming time. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much.